Hey guys, so I've got a Hyundai Santa Fe that I just bought not long ago. Actually, it's my wife's car, and had it for about a week or so, and went out one morning and it wouldn't start. Long story short, I had it taken to the mechanic, and apparently it came from it was traded in at a dealership. And long story short, would not start. The key would come on. You turn the key forward, the lights would come on, the radio would start playing. But when you went to start it, just nothing. No noise, nothing. Just long story short, this is something that the company that apparently rented this vehicle out to people or sold it and kept their title installed onto the car, and it's a sort of security system where you can shut the car off from a computer somewhere. Anyway, I don't know even where it was located, but I do know that this is a possibility.
Close to the steering wheel.
Somewhere close to the steering wheel is where this was installed, is what my wife says. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Yeah, it immobilizes the car. Nothing will work. It won't start.